Deal It Round is the UK's leading social referral site for businesses and their customers. So how does it work? Sam works for The Big Bike Company, an online bicycle retailer who really wants to boost its sales and has some great deals it wants to offer. Sam goes to the Deal It Round website and then adds an offer. It could be on specific products or the whole website. For each offer, Sam can create 3 different deals: initiate a reward, friends deal, and referral bonus. We will now explain what these are. Maggie wants to buy a bike for her husband. After seeing Sam's offer on the Deal It Round site, she clicks through to his website and buys a great bike. She then automatically refers this great deal to her friends through her personal social media networks, including Facebook, Twitter, and email. In return, Sam gives Maggie a small initiator reward. This can either be a percentage saving or a fixed pound cashback. Now all of Maggie's friends and contacts can see a new deal, the Friends Deal. This is a more attractive time-based offer aimed at driving additional impulse purchases from new customers. Sam has set this deal to be valid for only 10 hours. A few hours later, David sees this Friends Deal on Maggie's post on Facebook and sees that it's there and there are only 5 hours left, and he cannot resist taking up the offer and buys a new bike too. Like with Maggie, David also has automatically sent this offer to all of his friends through his social network. As a thank you for getting her friend to buy, Maggie now gets a referral bonus, and the more friends Maggie can get to buy, the more referral bonuses she can earn, hopefully enough to even pay for her bike.